Hi, I am from team number three. We are going to present the problem about the what to do with your residues in the agriculture field, and well, in the farming in general. So we interview 20 persons, and we found that 70% didn't know what is a biodigester. So they didn't apply it to their farming, but they are aware of what is a biodigester. Then we found that 80% of them throw their residues to the water. And that's interesting because the 30% of only cares about the law regulations, and the law regulations mention that the residues should be treated with special rules, and if they throw award the residues, it means that some part is because they didn't know about what's the law, and just 10% know what's the law, but doesn't care about throwing the residues to the water. And then we find that 90% of the persons will not buy the by the gesture, as they need to be maintained. That's the main problem that we found that they present. So maybe if we can pivot our idea to sell the service as a maintenance and do not care about or selling the value gesture itself, it would be a good idea. And finally, we found that 100% will be happy to receive more money to the residues that they make, and that's logical. But they didn't know that they can get it from the biodigester. Also, we talked with some of the farmers, and they mentioned that the idea of just selling the biodigester would not be great because they didn't know how to operate it, and also because they consider that maybe the costs are not good enough to compensate the investment that they will do. So we need to track how we can achieve better results or optimize the technology or another factor to provide more value to our clients. And that's all about our idea of the number three.